everybody, it's your girl, it's Najee, and today I will be doing a hair review on Annabelle. First I want to start off by saying, do you guys like my bonnet? Yeah, it's velvet. Fall season coming up. I actually make bonnets now, reverse bonnets, so because I was tired of like these spa store bonnets and them not holding up. These last. So if you want your orders, just message me, comment below. I will get you one. So yeah, this is purple. Don't make fun of my hair. This is the yellow side, and this is for style. So like if you want your style, whatever, boom, bright popping satin, real satin. Is durable. It's not that cheap little stuff that you put in the beauty spot store. Real satin. So anyway, let me go back because I like to protect my hair. So I guess this came FedEx. So the hair company shipped it from FedEx, which I love because I hate when people send me stuff through USPS. It sucks. So let me take all this stuff out. All right, so first thing I do see are these lashes. It came with these little 3D mink lashes, which are really cute. I actually will wear them. I don't really wear much lashes. All right, so this is a card. It came with washing instructions, and it says Annabelle, 100% human hair. So yeah, Annabelle. All right, 26 inches. Ooh, this is long. Okay, long. Let's see how it feels. Cause I haven't took it. I got 26 inches, as you see. I got a 20-inch frontal, but clearly this isn't 20 inches. I measured it against the other bundles and it came out to like, let me find the end. Okay, this is the end of the hair. So if you see, it's like, this is the frontal, so you can kind of see it's a long frontal, literally. All right, so we got a 24-inch. So, and then I got another 24-inch. This long. All right, so let's go with the 24. Well, let's go with the longest inch. I got 26. Let me see. But this is for the first time. I haven't even felt the hair, y'all. I felt the frontal, but I didn't feel it here. All right, so I'm opening this. Fresh bundles. Look at that. All right, so this says, they give you a cute little message. Hi honey, thank you so much for choosing us. Our good quality hair and excellent services will give you an amazing shopping experience. Hope you can add my store to your favorites. So yeah. So anyway, this is it. As you can see, it's moving. Ooh. Okay, let's look at the ends. The ends are full. No splitting, I don't see. Let me see. Ooh, look at that, y'all. This is what I've been waiting for. Silky straight hair. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm doing this, like you see me doing this over and over and over and over, right? Nothing. I don't see any shedding at all. So that's a good sign. I don't really care for AliExpress hair, but I had one strand. You can't even see it. That's it. That's all that came out from this. So that's pretty good. Put this back. So we got the 26. Let's try the 24-inch. Okay. Same thing. It's body. This feels good. All right, and the ends of this pack are like this. All right, so it's even. Also, look at this. So for me, this is kind of like small for me because I'm used to like thick bundles like this, only because I'm used to True Glory bundles, whatever. But with this hair, like with me having like 3 of these, like, I don't know, y'all. Like, I kind of feel in my heart that I may need another bundle, but we will see. And you know, the other one's the same length. It's 26-inch, so oh, I had ordered. Okay, I didn't open 2 24s. It's okay. Okay, let me show y'all the other one. I did open 2 24s. Okay, let's see the longer inch, because usually a longer inch is the one with the most problems. It's only 2 inches off, but we'll see. All right, I must be really staticky because this hair is literally like, I don't know, it's like doing something weird. Anyway, maybe it was I don't know. All right, so I'm running my hands through this too aggressively, and nothing. It didn't shed at all, so that's a good sign. And it's even at the ends. Yeah. So yeah, it's pretty hair. It's moving and everything. So we got that. Now for the frontal. All right, so the frontal is 20 inches and it's a free part. I know on the website they have an option where it's like you can part it in the middle. So this is the frontal. And as you can see, it has like a lot of like they literally plucked it already. So probably this is like one of them frontals that are just ready to just wear, because as you can see, it's real see-through. It's real see-through. Like, I don't know if I like that. Probably if I bleach it, I'd probably be happy. But like this area is a little full, you know. But for the most part on this side, it's looking real see-through. So I don't know. I kind of like my frontals thick because it lasts longer. The thin ones usually is like you probably get maybe 2 usage out of them. So we'll see. And I'll get y'all posted whenever I let y'all know how this goes. But anyway, it's supposed to be like little baby hairs that they put in the front. I don't really see this as baby hair because it's like super long, but I know it's like they do that on purpose so that you can like customize your baby hairs and stuff, because a lot of people like to do their own. So anyway, this is the frontal and I'm running my hands through it. Running. And I have a strand that fell off, a long strand. So I'm running my hands through. Nothing. So it don't, it's pretty good so far. So I like that. It has a lot of like brown light tints in here, like highlights almost. Like, I don't know if this is fully human hair, cause this is giving me some type of like Milky Way vibe with all these different colors in here. So anyway, so this isn't really like jet black. So I may have to dye this because I don't know if you can see on the camera. Okay, so with these 3 bundles, it's actually dark. They're really dark. Like if you lay them down and actually look at it, it's literally like jet black hair. Like you don't have to dye this. Like I don't think I'm gonna dye my hair at all because it's just so dark, and I feel like it's gonna give me that dark feel to it. Oh, I haven't showed y'all how long this is. So let's see if I can do it. All right. Okay, so I'm putting this on like if I were to have like, you know, my little track, whatever. So this is a 26-inch. And just to give y'all a, yeah, this is long. It's literally right there, almost past my butt. It's 26 inches. I'm 5'2". I want to dance to you. I'm just kidding. So I'm 5'2", so you can know how short I am. This is a 24-inch. Right? 24-inch. It's like right there in the middle of my butt. So that can give you an idea of like, and then the frontal piece is literally gonna be, it's gonna fall all the way down to like how it smells. So this smells like Beauty Spot store hair. Like, it don't have no scent. It's not really like distinct or anything. I'm actually ready for this hair. So this is actually my homecoming hair. You know, sounds like really homecoming hair. But yeah, this is my homecoming hair. I'm going down to Albany State University for this homecoming. So yeah, this is the hair. I heard a lot of great things about it, so I will be doing monthly reviews to let you guys know how I like the hair or how I don't like the hair. We'll see. You know, everybody has different experiences with AliExpress. So I'll let you guys know. But thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. Like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.